If gardening is your dream, the autumn always gives you sleepless nights, as you don't know how to deal with the fallen leaves, then the best way to get rid of the leaves from your lawn or garden as soon as possible is by using a leaf blower. If the purpose of spending your weekend raking leaves and sweeping grass clippings sounds like a chore, it might be time to consider a leaf blower. Fall leaves are awesome, but they can also be a real pain when it comes time to clean your yard. Also, if you don't want to spend your time raking leaves, you'll need a leaf blower. You'll probably never be able to throw your leaf rake in the trash, but with a powerful enough leaf blower, you can dispose of leaves and even other yard waste like small sticks, dirt and debris. However, finding a high-quality model that is right for your needs and your budget can be difficult on your own. That's why we have compiled a list of the top 5 leaf blowers of this year.
Hello there, we are the Top of Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
If you're searching for power and portability, then the Ego PowerPlus LB6504 cordless leaf blower will be the best bet for you. This leaf blower comes in a compact body and it works mind-blowingly even with the heaviest, wet or unruly debris. Also, it is easily controlled with a variable speed trigger, cruise control dial, and turbo button to move up to 650 CFM of air. With its variable speed settings, this leaf blower allows you to precisely control its air output. Additionally, it is also equipped with cruise control, with which you can easily maintain the selected settings, plus it can force 650 cubic feet of air per minute from its nozzle at a maximum speed of 180 mph. However, if you don't like dealing with cords, you'll be blissful to know that this blower is equipped with a brushless, battery-operated motor. Moreover, it has 5Ah 56V Li-ion PowerPlus battery. As a result, you can use this blower for a continuous 75 to 90 minutes, a duration sufficient for most lawns. Furthermore, as far as electric handheld blowers go, this one is average in terms of noise with a rating of 65 decibels. Overall, this leaf blower is a master of equipment when it comes to lawn care. It is ideal for clearing decks, driveways and sidewalks, and garages. One of the powerful leaf blowers available in the market is the Toro 51621 UltraPlus leaf blower vacuum. It is a lightweight blower capable of producing high air speeds and features of a powerful vacuum and mulcher. The blower's blades remain sharp for a long time, and the whole machine has a durable build that lasts long. And this durability puts less stress on the motor, maximizing efficiency and extending the lifespan of the blower itself. This Toro 5161 UltraPlus leaf blower vacuum's 12-amp motor moves 410 cubic feet of air per minute at speeds of up to 250 miles per hour. Additionally, it provides you variable speed control and an oscillating nozzle kit that sweeps to and fro, thus minimizing wrist movement. Moreover, it combines a metal impeller and patented shred O-ring shred, hence enabling it to reduce 97% of mulched debris to a half-inch, depending on leaf type and condition. Also, its main tube excels on dry leaves, the power insert delivers on wet, heavy leaves, and the concentrator helps on the difficult crevices. Finally, it is complete with all the vital accessories to make it the greatest commercial leaf vacuum. So no wonder many gardeners should prefer it as the best commercial leaf vacuum blower. The Litheli 40V cordless leaf blower is lightweight, powerful, and well-built. This lightweight cordless leaf blower is an impressive option for cleaning up small to medium yards to low to moderate levels of leaf coverage. Its ergonomic design and lightweight of 5.7 pounds allows you to hold it single-handedly, thus effortless to use. This leaf blower regularly operates at speeds between 45 and 76 mph that can be adjusted and maintained with a variable speed dial on the front handle of the tool. Also, when more power is needed, just push the turbo button to get a maximum airspeed of 92 mph. Moreover, when the leaf blower is used with the turbo button, it can produce a maximum airflow volume of 480 cfm, allowing this blower to handle large piles and wet leaves with ease. Besides, its package delivers you both a charger and a battery, and it features a 2.5Ah 40V Li-ion battery. At the end of the vacuum tube, it has a metal sleeve that not only prolongs its life, but also helps remove wet leaves, dirt and other debris. In addition, its non-slip rubber handle makes it secure and comfortable to hold. Luckily, this blower is covered under a warranty for up to 5 years. All in all, it forms a possible choice for the more excellent commercial leaf vacuum. The WORX WG520 is a low-maintenance, high-powered leaf blower that performs exceptionally well. This leaf blower is just right for the majority of homeowners, designed to be affordable yet powerful and lightweight, making it simple to easy around the yard. When it comes to design, there's a lot to love about this leaf blower. The major standout features are the variable speed control, the wide mouth hyperstream nozzle, and the well-designed extension cord retainer. With it, you'll get a hyperstream air nozzle for focused airflow to clean even the toughest debris and wet leaves. Also, this combination of a powerful and efficient motor combined with a highly effective turbine fan provides you an airspeed of 110 mph and an astounding volume of 600 cfm. It features a 12A motor that delivers powerful and accurate airflow. Moreover, it is a compact blower that can be held and controlled single-handedly. Not only is this blower light enough to hold easily in one hand, but its ergonomic design and slim dimensions 40 by 11 by 9.6 inches make it an extremely easy and comfortable tool to use. So now you do not need to spend hours in your lawn cleaning it. Overall, this leaf blower can gently blow newly fallen leaves from your flower beds or move heavy piles of post-storm leaves from your lawn. Therefore, this blower is one of the best favorites for cleaning the patio, lawn, and garden quickly and conveniently. If you need a small, simple and effective leaf blower for smaller at-home jobs, then the Sunzo SBJ601E electric blower will be the best for you. The motor on this Sunzo SBJ601E blower is pretty good considering its low price. This superb blower is certainly more than strong enough to blow leaves and small sticks around. This electric blower is a 10A motor which can produce up to 1500 RPM. Amazingly, this electric blower can produce airflow up to 215 mph, so this is quite impressive to say the least. Additionally, this Sunzo SBJ601E electric blower comes with 2 speed settings, so you can actually choose between a higher and lower setting to suit the job at hand. It weighs an amazing 4.4 pounds total, and it is so lightweight that kids, women, and seniors alike should be able to use it without issues. Therefore, this is one of the lightest leaf blowers you are likely to find, and you'll find yourself able to use it for a long time and bring it anywhere. However, if you don't need a huge, heavy leaf blower to handle your light leaf litter needs, this little electric blower will be the ideal option. Also, it is a great choice, especially if you just need it for occasional at-home use.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.